To put gift card money on Cash App, you will need to follow a few steps. First, ensure that the gift card you want to use is a prepaid debit card or a gift card from a major retailer, as these are the types that can be linked to Cash App. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section labeled Funding and select Link Accounts. Next, tap on Link Card and choose the type of card you want to link. Enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After linking the gift card, you can transfer the funds to your Cash App account. To do this, go back to the main Cash App screen and tap on the Add Cash button. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer from the gift card and select the linked gift card as the payment method. Confirm the transaction and the funds will be added to your Cash App balance. It is essential to note that not all gift cards can be used to transfer money to Cash App, as some may have restrictions. Additionally, you may be required to verify your identity before linking a gift card to your Cash App account. To avoid any issues, make sure to check the terms and conditions of the gift card before attempting to link it to Cash App. If you encounter any problems during the process, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully put gift card money on Cash App and enjoy the convenience of using the funds for various transactions.